Russia's next wonder weapon, Kedr intercontinental ballistic missile. Russia's new ICBM. Last year, Russia tested the Kedr intercontinental ballistic missile from the Plesetsk spaceport. The Russian Defense Forces expect to replace the RS-24 Yars ICBM with the Kedr in 2030. The design and development of the missile is currently under Moscow's Institute of Thermal Technology. The test was carried out in mid-June, months ahead of Russia's troop deployment along Ukraine's border. Kedr has both silo-based and mobile ICBM variants. The mobile-based ICBMs have a definite advantage since they can be moved around and are harder to detect. Russia is intent on upgrading its ICBM force as it takes on NATO and America in long-range missile duel. Russia's road-mobile ICBM. Russia has an array of upgraded missiles, including R-36M2 missiles, Topol SS-25 road-mobile missile system, Topol MSS-27 silo systems, and the Yars mobile systems. According to Defense Intelligence Agency report in 2017, Russia retains about 1,200 nuclear warheads for ICBMs, but it has a program to upgrade its ICBMs at a rapid pace. The development of solid-fuel Kedr ICBM is set to take place next year or early in 2024, reports say. The Russian missile troops operate several road-mobile ICBM units, with most developed during the Soviet era. In recent years, the Kremlin strawman has scored a number of battlefield and foreign policy triumphs that help boost his popularity despite economic malaise at home. Russia's ICBM force. Russia's strategic rocket forces currently has 3 missile armies, which in turn comprise 11 missile divisions. The Russian Federation maintains a triad of nuclear forces consisting of ICBM, SLBM, and heavy bombers. Russia deploys its strategic nuclear forces at more than a dozen bases across its territory, the report said. Russia's ICBM force currently comprises 310 missiles that can carry up to 1,189 warheads. Clearly, Russia's overwhelming military strength can easily overpower Ukraine, greatly worrying Western officials. Russia is also developing a new heavy ICBM known as the Sarmat SSX-30.